You're looking to get yourself a Casio watch, and well, you're seeing those with the negative displays. And you're wondering, is this sort of negative display for you? Are you going to be able to tell the time when you're wearing it? And can you actually enjoy a watch like this here? So, well, I have one here for myself, and as a real buyer, I personally purchased this one here for $26 from eBay. This model in particular is the W800H 1B VCF. And I'm gonna read all that out because Casio watches, they have a model and then they have these different letters and then they come in different colors, but this one is the all black one with the negative display, which is exactly what I like. I do appreciate the symmetrical design of this watch with the 4 buttons, chrome silver here on each side, each giving their own function. The word illuminator is actually engraved, if that's what you want to call it, which I prefer instead of having the text printed because those fade away eventually. And the belt is a black resin belt here, and you can see the model here at the back once again. Stainless steel back, so you're good, water resistance, and I know I'm saying "and" a lot, but I'm kind of new to these Casio watch reviews, okay? So just work with me here. And this isn't really a review per se, but kind of giving you my impressions and opinion on negative display watches. This one here, I actually like it. It is what I want to say, the perfect digital Casio watch size for me, all right? And you don't have to go with this one, but I have a specific size that I prefer on my wrist, okay? So what makes a negative display watch good and as a option to purchase? Well, if you're an outdoor person and you're always in an area with light, and you find that the regular Casio watches, which I should have had one here just to give you an idea of how it looks, you will see that these actually perform better in terms of visibility in daylight. You're gonna see it a lot clearer. I'm gonna bring down this light here a little bit just to give you an idea, and you can see now how bright that number is if you're in daylight. And this is a fairly good amount of light coming in here. You can see, and even just with the glare there, you can actually still kind of see the numbers there as you're rotating your wrist there. So one of the bonus perks, I should say, of having a watch with negative display. It doesn't have to be a Casio one, but if you want a Casio watch, you may want to consider buying this one here, especially if you're not looking for something fancy, something digital, not the analog ones. I don't know of any Casio analog watches that are like this, but if it is, let me know in the comments section. I would love to have one. But all in all, a great watch. It feels great on the wrist. I wore this for at least 2 days so far since I purchased it. And within these 2 days, I wore it about 8 hours, which is how long I work in a day. And I gotta say, it felt great on my hand and I do enjoy wearing it. I actually just recently ordered the other one, which doesn't have the negative display, but it's gonna have the black belt with the some kind of gun metal gray face, all right? And I think that's a pretty nice color for me. That's just a preference of mine and it's up to you, all right? Let's quickly take a look at the light here. What makes the light good? So other than this being great in terms of visibility in daylight, let's go ahead and turn off the lights here so you can get an idea of how well the light actually performs in the darkness. So in darkness without a light, you cannot see this thing at all. Like, you gotta have really good eyes. But take a look as I press the light there. It's going to light up like this, and it's gonna kind of like fill in the numbers. And the darker it gets, the easier it is to read it when the light's on. I'm gonna show you this here quickly. I don't know if this is gonna, all right, so there you go. So if you are in a dark area and you press the light, you can see those numbers clear with that green there. So you gotta give credit to negative display. So there's some bonus in both areas, both light and darkness. So you're good on this here. And again, if you have any of these negative display Casio watches, doesn't have to be this model in particular. Let me know in the comments section, how do you feel about them? What's your preference? Which model you have so others can know and hear about your impressions and or opinions on these Casio watches. I really am loving them. I'll say I think I have about like 10 of them that I purchased in total within a month's time. I'm not crazy, but I'm just suddenly got into these Casio watches like in sub.